हेलो एंड वेलकम, यू आर वाचिंग हाउस एज कंसल्टिंग और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी. In this video, I am going to explain to you about this big, luxurious township of 62.5 acres that is Prestige City, इंदिरापुरम. इसकी स्पेसिफिकेशंस आउट हुई हैं, एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल द एंड. वेल, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स, सो जो पूरी लैंड पार्सल है दैट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ऑफ 62.5 एकर्स और यहाँ पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4,000 यूनिट्स आने वाले हैं. एंड देयर विल बी 23 टावर्स, जिसमें से जो फ्लोर हाइट रहेगी दैट इज़ रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 41 to 50 फ्लोर्स. यहाँ पे हर फ्लोर पे यू विल गेट 4 यूनिट्स एंड हर फ्लोर पे देयर विल बी 4 लिफ्ट्स एज वेल. जो यूनिट साइजेस हैं दैट इज़ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ 2 BHK एंड इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 and 6 BHK एज वेल. पेंट हाउसेज भी हैं यहाँ पे. 2 BHK plus 2 washroom size will be of 1301 square feet. Then comes 3 BHK plus 2 washroom size that will range from 1681 to 1694 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3 washroom size ranging from 1870, 1955 to 1970 square feet. Then comes 3 BHK plus 3 washrooms plus home office. This size will range from 2236 to 2262 square feet. Work from home professionals के लिए ये perfect option है. This configuration has a dedicated home office space with 3 BHK, 3 bathrooms. Then comes 4 BHK plus 3 washrooms plus home office size that is of 2490 square feet. Then 4 BHK plus 4 washrooms plus home office size ranging from 2750 to 2910 square feet. And then 4 BHK to 6 BHK duplex and penthouse configurations भी हैं ranging from 3625 to 6026 square feet for truly extravagant lifestyle with 4 to 6 bedrooms, massive space and top-notch features. एक छोटी फैमिली से लेकर एक लार्ज फैमिली तक यहाँ पे आपको हर किसी के लिए एक परफेक्ट होम स्पेस मिलेगी. Now talking about the state of the art amenities, this is not just a township. This is a whole lifestyle that offers you a lot of amenities. There will be sports and fitness amenities जो कि include करता है cricket pitch and multi-purpose court, lawn tennis and squash court, swimming pool, gym and badminton court. यहाँ होंगी adventure and leisure activities as well. Wall climbing and paddle court, skating rink and jogging track, cycling track and skywalk. यहाँ community and socializing space भी होगी. Banquet hall, retail store, forum mall, senior citizen park, and there will be provision for school and healthcare as well. एक large open green space, multiple clubhouses with over 1 lakh square feet area. यहाँ पे आपको मिलने वाली है open space, green environment and the construction here is with renowned architects and good construction company. That is L&T Construction and Hafiz Contractor. And that means आपको मिलने वाला है a blend of luxury and nature. Well, talking about the location, then this is the major USP of this township here. And अगर आप चाहते हो कि इस location की आप detailed review लो, then you can watch my previous video on Prestige City, Indirapuram, and the link is right here. Now the major question comes that why should you act fast and why should you invest while the pre-launch is on? और उसका आंसर ये है that you will be availing pre-launch benefits, जो कि हैं exclusive prices, early bird offers and premium unit availability. अब वो कैसे होगा? That I will explain to you through this screen recording. ये है the EOI submission. When the RERA will come, your channel partner will send you a link जो generate होगी through your name, mobile number and email address. You will have to provide your preference of your future home, what sizes you want, which configuration suits you, and your personal details, which would include in the property survey form only. इससे होगा ये that priority will be generated for that investor if he or she fills the form as soon as possible. Now, investing in Prestige City is beneficial in all ways. The location as its prime and strategic. World-class amenities with leisure living. High return of investment. यहाँ invest करोगे तो you will get ensured appreciation in property value due to its brand value and desirable location. Reputed developer, Prestige Group, जिससे जाना जाता है for their commitment and quality and timely delivery. This project assures trust and credibility, making your investment secure. तो आप सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं ओन करोगे, you will be securing a lifestyle that combines luxury, convenience and long-term growth. Well, do not miss this golden opportunity to invest in Prestige City Indirapuram. अगर आप चाहते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट की ज़्यादा in-depth knowledge लेना, then you should contact us on 875000 Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is your host and host Khushi with camera person Bhavna signing off.